long. So the journey started in Ghana. I had to go to Ghana because that's the origin of recycled glass beads. Being that I'm Ghanaian, I had to go back to my people.
The finished product, we have beer bottle and Coca-Cola bottle. Beer for the green, Coca-Cola for the clear.
You need to be educated that
no, really
are like beads are from here.
On day 3, I found amazing woven kente pieces for my hoodie.
It's fresh.
To become hard.
How long does it take to dry?
Oh, maybe when the sun is scorching hard.
2 days.
Depending on the sun. When the sun is
But can it be worked on as it is right now?
yeah.
It's in Ghana, it's in Europe, it's everywhere. It's engraving. We're gonna emboss it. We're gonna laser it. We're gonna do everything.
I'm like a supervisor to all the operations from Modern Nature, and also I double up as a designer. I manage some of the cuttings and measurements and general management for the operations of Modern Nature in Ghana.
As a designer, it's so important to build a team that understands your mission, your vision, and even your creative level of thinking.
Here at Incan. So with the fall, right? This is not gonna show, right?
Yeah.
It's just gonna be clean.
Yeah.
Okay. And is it gonna fade?
No, it's not good.
But why? How come this is like kind of faded?
I wanted to have Modern Nature's logo embossed on the leather strip. We were literally running around all day. While waiting on the tailor, I got a chance to meet some amazing young girls. With just a few days left, I had to apply pressure to the team.
Looking at it. Okay. Hey guys. So I want to show him some of the work. This is one. Isn't that cool? I know, right? So what we're gonna do is it's gonna be long sleeve with a hoodie. So look at this. This is what I'm showing him. That's some of the work. So I just feel like it's important to know what we're doing to it, and that way it's going to be easier for us to collaborate in the future, right? Yeah. How do you feel? How do you feel about your work?
That's what I want to always we did the perfect job.
Oh yeah, I did.
We were literally working till the last hour. As a matter of fact, I was still beading at the airport, but I just knew we were going to get it done. With only 8 days, we were able to complete the Genesis collection from Ghana to Paris. We made it in Harper's Bazaar, Vanity Fair, Marie Claire, Elle Magazine, and the list goes